Hello my dear students, as we started the public health and the government services, public health and the government services are very important as compared to the population. As we studied in the previous session of online class, Kiran, who visited to government hospital, Sarita, who visited to private hospital, the facilities what they were noticed here that we were seen in the previous session of the online class. Now today we are going to continue the chapter from the public health services. What are the public health services? To what population one primary health center is required? So what is the base to provide the good public health facilities to the people as compared to these issues? So let us we see the chapter. The public health service is a system of the health centers and the hospitals run by the government to provide the treatment to all kinds of the problems from the common illnesses to special services in both rural and urban areas. At the village level, there is a volunteer called Asha worker who helps people in getting health services. The Anganwadi center in the village service as a center to provide the nutrition and the immunization services to young children, and children's weights are also mentioned here to see whether they are growing as per their age. The sub-center covers a population of 5,000 people. A sub-center, which means a primary health center, which covers population up to 5,000 in one area where the 5,000 population is available. That area needs a primary health center which should be covered 5,000 people who may be in one or many villages in a rural area. This center has multi-purpose health assistance, which means MPHS. Female and male category people will work in such centers, like where the primary health facilities are rendered or supplied by the governments under a rural category or in a urban category, which can be rendered in the several facilities to immunization to children. Like here the primary health assistants, female and male, they are treated in the dealing with the common illnesses and provide immunization to children, care for the pregnant women, take steps to prevent the diarrhea and malaria. These centers work under the supervision of the primary health center, which is called shortly PHC. Located at the mandal level, each primary health center covers population of 30,000, roughly 5 sub-center areas. For every 4 to 5 PHCs, there is a community health center which is a 30-bed hospital and has some specialities, some surgeries are done at this level. At the divisional level is the area hospital that has 100 beds. At the district level is the district hospital. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as the where Kiran was taken to, like various types of the hospitals we can find. 30,000 people needs a primary health center. To under a 5 primary health centers, there is a community health center. To 5 primary health centers, these are the community health center will take care and provides the facilities. Community health center is the head to the surrounding villages primary health centers. So each and everything can be distributed under the medication from the community health center only can be supplied to the primary health centers. So how many beds community health center contains, and at the divisional level like a RIMS hospital, like a big hospitals which are under the government survival can contains 100 beds, and other extra facilities. Large cities have many government hospitals such as the one where Kiran was taken to. It is called public for many reasons. The government, in order to fulfill its commitment of providing health care to all citizens, has established these hospitals and health centers are also the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we all the public pay to the government as taxes. One of the most important aspect of the public health system is that it is meant to be provide quality health care services either free or at a low cost, so that poor families can seek the treatment. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of the disease such as the tuberculosis, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. This has to be organized by the government with the participation of people, otherwise it will not be effective. Take the example of a campaign to see to it that the mosquitoes do not breed in water, cholera, roof, tops, etc. This has to be done with the participation of all the residents in the area. In a village, everyone must be involved to see it that the water near taps, hand pumps does not form the stagnant pools where the mosquitoes breed, which means making clean lines away from the hygienic activities, the providing basic amenities where the amenities are required by the representative person to whom you were elected. Suppose the person who want to get the facilities utilizing government schemes, welfare schemes, providing and keeping people to away from the hygienic activities, also one of the important aspect where a place we have the availability of primary health center or community health center. Private health services, there is a wide range of the private health facilities that exist in our country. In the rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioners, RMP. In rural areas, another popular provider of the healthcare is the untrained medical process. Urban areas have a large number of doctors. Many of them provide specialized services in their private hospitals and nursing homes. There are many private laboratories which test blood, urine and stool or offer the special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals and some are engaged in the manufacturing and selling medicines. Medical shops are found in every corner of the country. See, this was the very important aspect where the privatization in hospitalities, where we can find the various types of the differences where such facilities may not be given in the government primary health centers, in community health centers, the government hospitals at the divisional levels. In all these institutes which are organized by the government, having facilities but negligence is shown or impactable on the patients. So that can also, so if you want quick response, then people are rarely habituated to visit the private hospitals. As the names suggested, private health families are not owned by the controlled by the government, unlike the public health services, but patients have to pay a lot of money for every service that they avail. The public or government services are functioned by the taxes collected by the government. Therefore, the fee people pay for the public health services are often low. In the case of the private health care, actual costs and the profits enter the calculation, and therefore the fee are generally higher. Where we are visiting in the private hospitals compared to the public health facilities which was provided by the government, there suppose you were not recovered with your disease where you are approaching in the private institute. Meanwhile, to protect yourself, to save yourself, in the final option you will visit to the private hospital. But for all the medication, for all the laboratory analysis, you will do all these procedures which are mentioned in the private hospitalization. So this was the basic necessity which can be impactable on the people's lives, and there are another aspect and there are another things which are the people who have some people who have some facilities like health insurance. Medicine is too expensive for some chronic diseases for the ordinary people. So if public gets the health insurance, they may get the quality services with the help of an insurance scheme. And there are many insurance companies in the market, both in the public and private sectors. Healthcare and equality in India, we have a situation where private services are increasing but public services are not. The private services are mainly concentrated in the urban areas, as these services are run for the profit. The costs are rather high. Healthcare and equality was one of the important and under the discriminatory procedure where the people needs and where the people had to face. But the situation in public service at present has changed due to the ambulance services of 108 and 104 ambulance first aid in the emergency cases, and also the provide the access by taking the victims patients for the further following of the medication nearby the health center vehicles, and numbered 104 is with health personnel and the medicines providing and monthly visits to rural areas for health checkups and providing medicines, etc. In fact, barely 20% or 20% of the population can afford the cost of the medicines that they require during an illness. Even for those who are not poor and medical expenses causes the hardship. It was reported in a study that 40% of the people who are admitted to hospitals for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possessions to pay the expenses. For those who are poor, every illness in the family is a cause of the great axis and distress. What is worst, such as the situation arises again and again, the poor do not have access to basic necessities like drinking water, adequate housing and clean surrounding, etc., and are more likely to fall ill. So these are all the situations also demanding where they have the hygienic facilities, where they do not have the clean line facilities in their area, also impactable to the people. Like these families do not eat as much as they should, and are thus the undernourished, and the expenses on the illnesses make their situation even worse, and they may have to sell off some of their possessions, and taking an ill person to the hospital means loss of the wages for another person for the day or for many days if the patient is admitted in the hospital. So these are the aspects also demanding here, where the people had to face problems under the medication. So the services which are providing, that services are mainly utilized by the people as their request and demand. If suppose they eradicate after availability of the all facilities, also they are habituating, they are utilizing the private medications, which means it was the one of the loss, as they are paying the taxation to the government on each and every product. So remaining chapter from the title of the basic public facilities we will continue in the next session of the online class. You have to write down in your fair note keywords and prepare until we complete the chapter. After listening, you have to prepare some 1 mark questions also. Thank you.